After this lesson, you will divide decimals as easily as the whole numbers. Look at the board. So in question number 1, you are dividing 0.832 by 8. So first of all, you divide the whole number part, that is 0 here. So 8 goes into 0 times. Now comes the very important part. So this decimal point goes on the quotient and 8 comes down here. And 8 goes into 8 one time, and now 3 comes down, and 3 is smaller than 8, so we bring the 2 down. This is where the most students make mistake. This is where the most students get mistakes. So let us learn the correct way. Look at the board very carefully. So this is how we do the correct way. First step was correct, that is we divided the whole number 0 times, and this point, decimal point, goes in the quotient, and 8 comes down, and 8 goes into 8 one time. This was correct. But now when 3 comes down, you cannot divide 3 by 8 because 3 is smaller than 8. So you can bring this 2 down only if you put here 0. You can bring 2 down here. So now 8 goes into 32 4 times. So our answer will be 0.104. Okay, this is the correct way. Don't skip number 2 because you are going to learn very important trick in the last step of number 2. Here you are dividing 58.92 by 8. First of all, you divide the first digit 5, but 5 is smaller than 8. So you cannot divide 5 by 8. In that case, you take both the digits together. So 8 times 7 equals to 56. Now, as you know, the decimal point goes in the quotient and 9 comes down with 2. Now, 8 goes into 29 3 times to get 24, and 5. 2 comes down with 5 to become 52. 8 times 6 equals to 48. Now there is no number here, so in that case you can put here 0, and you can bring 0 here, because in division of decimal numbers you divide until and unless you don't get the remainder as 0. Okay, so your final answer is 7.365.